Introducing the Actec AKJ2060F, a 12 kW large-size fiber laser cutting machine built for industrial-scale performance. With a working area of 2000 by 6000 mm, this CNC beast cuts through stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and more with pinpoint precision and blazing speed. Thanks to its Raytools autofocus head and IPG or Raycus laser generator, you get smooth, efficient, and consistent cuts no matter the job size. Perfect for workshops, factories, and entrepreneurs, this machine can generate $3,000 to $15,000 per month, offering services like custom signage, sheet metal work, or part manufacturing. If you're looking for smart automation, high ROI, and next-level productivity, this is the tool your business needs. Click the link below and take your cutting business to the next level.